having a birthday yet.
Yeah, it's today.
But he's not having it yet. He's at home.
He's at home, but all day his birthday is happening.
But he's not eat some birthday at home.
He's not going to eat some birthday?
At home.
At home. Can you say, Happy birthday, Uncle Griff? Do you know he's 30 years old? You did.
I like to dress.
We love you, brother. Say, I love you, Uncle Griff. $10 points for cooperation.
I feel a big brother.
She has a big brother.
No.
Oh, my big brother? Who's my big brother? Who? Who? Yeah. Uncle Griff.
Who's your little brother?
Who's my little brother? Yeah. All right, we love you, brother. I'd show you my face, but I don't have makeup on.